In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your auto transcripts in your videos in Premiere Pro. Then I'm also going to show you how you can add the auto captions. Here I am in Premiere Pro and I'm editing this video. This is from Hollow Knight Silk Song, and I did the voiceover. I wrote the script, then did the voiceover, and now I have everything set up in Premiere Pro like this, right? But I want to add transcripts. Well, not transcripts. I want to add the captions for the video here. Now, the way to do that is to go to the preview section here and then go up to text. Then you will see transcript, captions, graphics. Under transcript, you can just go ahead and select transcribe, and this will transcribe the video based on the audio clip that you have selected. Once I have my transcript, you can see it all here. You can go through and you can take your time to make any edits. If you click on a particular section and you hit play, you can see it just continues and you can see exactly where it will go. But what I like to do is to just copy the entire section that I have already in my script, which I know is grammatically correct, or at least the way how I want it to be, right? And just paste it into the section here. So you can see this part says in some ways, video is your first real showstopper. But if you look in the script, it says in some ways, video is your first real showstopper, right? So what I'll do is I'll find where the script stopped. So it says, which will cause bells to fall from the ceiling. I can easily just say bells to fall from the ceiling. Okay, let's make this smaller, right? So now I have this section here, and I can simply just copy this, come over into my script, highlight everything. This is the edit button, and then I just paste over it. And I have exactly what I read out from my script inside of this section. Now you can just keep repeating this step and just replacing your script that you wrote with each of these sections here. So again, I can see where this one ends, from the ceiling, pulling things from under the ground. And I can go to my script and just make sure that I have that section. I can copy it, come in here, click the edit button, select all, and just paste over it. So now I know exactly the correct thing that I want to have here. Now that I have each section of the transcript correct, I can go over to captions. Then I can select create captions from transcript. Then you can bring down this. Then you can expand this section here so that you can see the other options. I want to make the length of this a little bit longer, to say maybe 55. I want it to be single lines, not double. And I don't really need to change the gap. I don't have any styles saved up, so I can just hit create captions from here. Once we have the captions, you can start to see, there it is, it's showing up, but it's too big. I don't want it to be so big across the screen. So what I can do is, let's go to just a single one of the captions. Once I click on it, and if I go over to properties, I can see all the properties for this caption here. Now I can change the font size of this, so I can make it smaller if I want. I can change the font. I'm going to use, which font should I use for this? Let's use Satoshi. All right, fine. We're using Satoshi medium, and I'm going to leave the color and the shadow just the way it is. Now if I only make the change to this caption, when I go to the next, you'll see it have the old setting on it. To fix this, you just need to scroll up, make sure you have the caption that you added the changes to selected, and then when you click this button here, redefine style, you can add these changes to all the other captions on this track. So I can hit OK, and now all the other captions all share the same settings. And by doing this process, this is how you can easily transcribe your video and also add captions to your videos. You can then choose to animate this if you want to make certain sections come in before. You can change the color, all of those fancy stuff. But in most cases, you know, you can just keep it simple like what you would see in a TV show, and that is enough at times. So that's all I want for it to be, so I'll keep it like that. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.